Delivery address on Aliexpress. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show how to change your Aliexpress shipping address. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making helpful videos for you guys. Alright folks, let's get started. I'm in the Aliexpress app. Click the gear icon up top, guys. Click on settings here. In settings, you'll see options. Click the second one, shipping address. All your registered addresses will show up here. So here I am. I've got 3 addresses and want to add another. I'll click below to add a new address. To edit these addresses, just tap the pencil icon. Then choose which address you want to edit. Since it's a new address, I'll click here below. Here, enter all your personal info: name, phone, zip code, neighborhood, address, house number, and any additional details in this option. Enter your CPF tax ID. Below, you can set this as your default delivery address if you have other addresses saved. Then just click Save Address at the bottom. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks, folks.